What's up guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine video. Today I'm going to be reviewing Bullet Hell Pro from the same creator from Combat Fury, which I also made a video some time ago. So first of all, thanks again to the creator for providing me with this asset pack so I can show you guys how this looks. So what is Bullet Hell Pro? Bullet Hell Pro is an asset that provides a simple method to spawn various projectile patterns. This component comes with 5 types of projectile modes that you can customize as you want. The asset works for all actor types such as player, NPCs, or any other. It is super easy to integrate and uses pre-made anime notifiers to plug them into your animations. On top of that, there's this super cool boss fight included. You can get it right now in the marketplace with the link below. The asset right now has 80% of discount until the 10th of February, so this is a huge opportunity. So let's take a look. So as you can see, the project comes with this super cool, boss fight example that I introduced at the intro. And you have this kind of third-person controller with this kind of enemy, and here comes the projectiles, the interesting part of the asset pack, right? The core. So you can see that I have this folder with all the anime notifiers under the component, right? So we have the actor component itself with all the logic for spawning of the projectiles and so on. And then the cool thing, which is the projectiles itself. We have this parent-based projectile class and then all the childs. So for example, if I open this one, we can see that we have all the parameters that we can play around and hit a VFX and damage and everything, right, to customize each projectile as we want. And we have with the pack with a couple of default ones, and you can just duplicate them and just make more variations as you want. So that's really cool. Of course, we also have the notifiers itself, where you can call them in specific parts of the animation to trigger the attacks, right? So for example, if I were to go here, you can see that I have some fire montages, right, where you shoot with kind of this thing, and you can see here we are using some of the notifiers, right? So it is very easy, as you can see, and quickly to integrate into your existing animations to just launch new projectiles and to customize them. And the coolest thing I think is just this demo boss fight with everything already integrated, right? You can kind of see where this can go, right? I mean, look at this. You have like kind of cool missiles. You can see all the combos that the boss fight will do, right? And a lot of different types of particles and everything, which is awesome. So definitely, if you're trying to make a game involving a lot of cool, particles, projectiles, and everything with boss fights or just enemies in general, I think that this pack will be excellent for you. So again, huge thanks for BB Systems for giving the asset for me to try it out and showcase to you all. He also made the Combat Fury asset pack, which I also showcased some time ago on my channel, which it is amazing. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. Also, it's a great pack, and also made a cool review about it, so check that out. And of course, you can get this asset pack right now in the marketplace. So with that said, guys, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you got a video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and throws, so check them out. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members for exclusive benefits, link in the description. Join my Discord server to talk with me and other devs. Check out my new course with Game Dev TV and how to make a stealth game in Unreal. Follow me on my socials. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.